Daily use English sentence Odia to English. ଆସି ନିଜ ଜାଗାରେ ବସ. Come and sit at your place. Come and sit at your place. ମୁଁ ତ ମୋର କାମ କରୁଛି. I have been doing my job. I have been doing my job. ଆପଣ ମୋତେ କିଛି କହୁଥିଲେ କି? Were you saying something to me? Were you saying something to me? ଏବେ ମୋ ପାଖରେ ସମୟ ନାହିଁ. I don't have time right now. I don't have time right now. କ'ଣ ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କିଛି ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ପଚାରି ପାରିବି କି? Can I ask you a few questions? Can I ask you a few questions? ମୋ ବଞ୍ଚିଥିବା ଯାଏ ଏମିତି କେବେ ବି ହେବନି. It will never ever happen during my lifetime. It will never ever happen during my lifetime. ମୁଁ ବର୍ଷା ଯୋଗୁଁ ଆସିପାରିଲି ନାହିଁ. I couldn't come due to rain. I couldn't come due to rain. ଆଜି ବହୁତ କାମ ଥିଲା. There was so much work today. There was so much work today. ମୋତେ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଶୋଇବାକୁ ଦିଅ. Let me sleep a bit more. Let me sleep a bit more. ମୋତେ ଲାଗୁନାହିଁ ଆଜି ବର୍ଷା ହେବ. I don't think it will rain today. I don't think it will rain today. ମୋର ସେଇଟା ଏବେ ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ. I don't need that anymore. I don't need that anymore. ମୋ ଉପରେ ରାଗ ନାହିଁ. Don't get angry with me. Don't get angry with me. କ'ଣ ସେ ମୋତେ ମିଛ କହିଲେ? Did he lie to me? Did he lie to me? ତୁମେ କେବେ ଫେରି ଆସୁଛ? When are you coming back? When are you coming back? ମୁଁ ସେଇଟା ବି ନେବି. I will take that one also. I will take that one also. ତୁମେ ବାସ୍ ତୁମର କାମ କର. You just do your job. You just do your job. କୁହ ତୁମର କ'ଣ ଦରକାର? Tell me what you need. Tell me what you need. ସେ ଭୟରେ ଥରୁଥିଲା. He was trembling with fear. He was trembling with fear. ଆମେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର କିଏ? Who are we to you? Who are we to you? ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଘରକୁ ନେଇଯିବି. I will take you home. I will take you home. Thanks for watching.